your beautiful soul mommy, and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, feel at home and feel welcome. I've missed you all so much. It has been a minute, but tunaendelea na art and craft yetu. As you can see, nyuma yangu kuna mlango. Yeah, that one namkuacha hapo, so I'm gonna tell you all about it. It has been like 2 weeks. Yeah, those 2 weeks, there was a time ilifika pesa ikagoma, but I was saying, okay, apart from pesa kugoma, pia mafundi now they just decided kukua mafundi. Wewe unaambiwa fundi mkweli makeup artist na kinyozi peke yake. Hayo wengine si mafundi, lakini mafundi sasa walivonidanganya. Anyway, acha tuendelee tu mali tumeachia, nitaonyesha mali tumeachia and whatever is going to happen today. So let's get into it. See, hata sijui leo ni day 6. Tukieka from the day ambayo tuliachia day 6 ama 5. Tutajua huko mbele mbele. So acha nionyeshe whatever is going to happen today, and maybe I'll be taking a video jioni after wamemaliza. I know you did not leave this door here. Yeah, this is a glass door tulieka hapa after nimepigana na mafundi kufuatana nayo left, right and center. That is when tukamalizana na door. Haya wengine nao pia bado tunapigana nao ndo wakuja wanieke drawers, framing and everything. Mnajua tu mafundi venye huwa wako, but thank God at the end of the day, after purukushani nyingi, we are here right now. The door is okay, sealed and everything, but do some small fillers hapa and we be good. Higher for this place mliacha hivi, nothing much has changed because I guess my fundis walienda riot wakanigomea tu mimi, so nothing much has changed. Actually it's just the views. So today what they're going to do, they're going to put frames, kind of like a table down here with some 2 drawers. Yeah, so the fundi ameenda kuchukua hizo zinaitwaje, kuna wood zingine hapo ameenda kuchukua fair deal. So yeah, akikuja is when they do the framing. Watatoa hizi vio, they put a board. I really don't know how they're going to do it, but we just going to have like a vanity, makeup vanity itakuwa hapo. So and I look good. Have you seen my outfit for today? Hey y'all, yeah, hapa ndo mali tumefikia. Nothing much was done, by the way. All has been happening ni kubomoa mali kulikuwa kumejengwa, because let me show you vio. I don't want them to be installed direct to this plywood. I want them to first ziekwe hapa, then ziekwe hapo kwa kio. Mana these plyboards you plywood, it's very weak. Hata fundi pia ali agree to that, so we had to put a stop on that, because yule fundi mwenye nimeletewa si yule mwenye alikuwa anafanya hii kazi at first, and we had to argue from morning mpaka jioni. Huyo fundi mwingine amekazana tu anataka kufanya hiyo job, maana ametumwa na huyo mwingine. Nikamwambia no, mwenye tu nilianza naye kazi huyo ndo anakuja kumaliza kazi. So here we are. I waited for the fundi, amekuja saa 10. Nikamwambia sasa unakuja kufanya kazi gani? So tuoke tu asubuhi. The only thing yenye wamefanya niyo kutoa na kuleta hizi board. So kesho God willing tunarauka again. Mnajua tu tabia za mafundi. But I really pray and hope by Saturday, today is Friday, by Saturday we are done. Monday classes zinaanza. I just hope and pray about that. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. You have a beautiful day. I mean a beautiful evening. I'm so tired. I'm sweating. My throat is on fire. My nose is blocked because of vumbi. My allergies are just stressing me up. But it's okay. I'll be fine. See you next time. It's your beautiful soul mommy. And I love you so much. Hey y'all. What's up? It's your beautiful soul mommy, and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, full at home and full welcome. Stay there. Usiamke kama luliko. Yeah. So another day of art and craft. Jenga na mimi. Yeah. So mali leo tumefikia. Yeah, another day of dragging everything, another day of mafundi just being mafundi. Yeah, and another day fair deal, just kucheza hao tu kama fair deal. But anyway, what can we say? Tunangojea tu. So let me show you mali tumefika. Actually it's saa 8, and what we have done hata si robo ya what we are supposed to be doing on this day. Anyway, I just left. I did not take this video in the morning because nilikuwa na purukushani mingi and I had to go to town to look for ile mkono ya dryer. I know. The reason pia ambayo nimekaa town sana, excuse me, sorry about that, I'm not feeling well, nimekuwa na tumafua. So the reason ambayo nimezunguka sana pia town, I guess ni venye tu nilikuwa na explain hiyo kitu yenye nataka. Actually kumbe inaitwa wall ya dryer. Mimi nilikuwa naenda kusema ile kijiti ya dryer ya ukuta, and people were not getting me, but at long last nilipata, thanks to Willy, took me somewhere and I got it. So acha tu nionyeshe mali nimerudi nikapata watu wamefika. Yep. As I had told you earlier, kwa tujafika mbali. Acha niwashie steamer. Let me just try get the steamer inside. Okay, steamer zangu zinawashwa na wapi? I'm sorry, see, I've not gotten use of this switch. Sijui gani ni ya fans, sijui gani ni ya taa, but the taa zimewaka. So mali tumefika hapa ni this board. Can you see? If you can see, me hata sielewi. Yeah, this board. Kuna board mbili hapa. So mali tu tumefika ni hiyo board kuwekwa juu ndio ili anything yenye itagongolewa kwa ukuta ikuwe very strong. So hapo tu, apart from that, vioo zilitolewa zote chini. Yeah, so that your body inaweza ingia na vitu zikaendelea. Apart from that, hatuja move sana, nothing much. I'm here waiting for the fundi atoke fair deal tena. Yeah, that's just it. So acha tungoje tuone what is going to be happening. Apart from that, nothing else is happening, and that's me on the mirror. Yay! Acha nijitulize stress, maana pia nimechoka na stress mingi. Yeah. So that's it. So let us just see what the fundis will do for the rest of the day. We just hope and pray watakuwa wamefikia mahali by the time inafika jioni. That's all I'm praying. Let's see by jioni tutakuwa tumefika wapi, then I'll take a video and show you mahali tumefika. Mjengoni, art and craft with me. Hey yo, what's up? It's your beautiful soul Mummie, and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, feel at home and feel welcome. Yeah, another day of art and craft, jenga na mimi. Yeah, we are here. So this is a brand new day, and let me show you whatever is happening, is going to happen, and I hope today it will just happen. Yeah, because mbao zimefika and every other thing. Let me just show you every other thing that imefika sahi asubuhi, then people waingie kufanya kazi. So as you can see, yeah, I just wanted to show you what came in this morning. So whatever came in this morning ni the frames za kushikilia vioo and some iso boards. So let's see what the foodies will do for me today. I can't wait and see whatever is going to happen. I'm just so excited, hoping for the best. Yay! I hope this step iishe leo because man, I'm tired. I hope this step is just iishe leo, at least iniondoke. I know I'm doing what next, but because I feel like tumekwama hapa forever, and it's giving me, yani it's not, things are not moving the way I wanted. So inanipatia anxiety, inanipatia, I'm just overwhelmed, I'm just not okay. So I just needed to just move a step, of which is this today. If it moves this step today, I'm good. I'll feel a little bit kidogo nitakuwa nimerelax. Yeah, so let's see what the fundis can do. It's lunch break na hapa ndo tumefikia. 3 mirrors installed, very pretty. I'm loving it. I'm just happy, yeah, because we are moving at some pace, and hopefully by jioni every other mirror will be up with a frame on it, because the pace si mbaya vile. We are getting somewhere, and I'm really overwhelmed, and I'm really excited. I can't wait to see all the mirrors up by jioni. So bado mirror moja hapa, ingine pale, and then this one will go down and then ifixiwe tena, and then it will be like, oh yes, we did something and completed in one day, because the past few days zimekuwa hectic. hakuna kitu yenye tumekuwa tu tukifanya tukimaliza by jioni. Tumekuwa tu tukifanya tukiacha. So I just can't wait hii siku iishe tu vizuri na every other mirror is installed kwa ukuta. So come Monday, we just on another level of doing another thing. Yay! 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 God has been so good. Yay! He has shined on me. I've been crying. Lord, I want it done. And He shined on me. And I'm happy. Okay, that's something for another day. Hiya, that's all I wanted to show you guys. So, hey y'all, ndo ile jioni imefika. And I promise kuonyesha mali tumefika. So, 4 mirrors were installed and these like a table thing. Can I call it a table thing or a drawer thing? This thing right here. So, they were installed and they look pretty. And hapa ndo mali tumefikia leo. All other things until next time, baby. So today is on a Saturday, tomorrow I'm not coming. So some other work tukiendelea na art and craft yetu, it will be on Monday. On Monday is when tutaendelea na art and craft, ambapo hapo kutakuwa na mirror, then this one will be framed too. Alafu maybe drawers zitaekwa because these spaces kuna drawers zinakam ya hizi spaces za chini. So kutakuwa na drawers hapo somewhere. So that's all. Until next time, it's your beautiful soul Mummie and I love you all. Stay safe. Bye.